Ever wonder how to send money to a friend or family member on PayPal without racking up unnecessary fees, while also staying within PayPal's rules? Let's jump right in and show you how to use PayPal's friends and family option. Step by simple step. First, head over to PayPal.com or open the PayPal app on your phone. Now, click or tap on the Send and Request button. This is usually located prominently on the main screen, making it easy to find. Next, select Send. Here, you'll need to enter the email address or phone number associated with the recipient's PayPal account. Double-check to make sure it's correct to avoid sending money to the wrong person. Now, enter the amount you want to send. This is the crucial part. Make sure the sending to a friend toggle is switched on. It might also say friends and family is what activates the fee structure designed for personal transfers. Take close attention here. The friends and family option is only for sending money to people you know and trust, like actual friends and family. Never use it to pay for goods or services. That's a violation of PayPal's terms and could get your account penalized. Before you finalize the payment, review all the details on the confirmation screen. Make sure the recipient's information, the amount, and the payment method are all correct. Once you're satisfied, hit send, and that's it. You've successfully sent money using the friends and family option on PayPal. Remember to use this feature responsibly to avoid any issues with your account.